Welcome to our very first online sharing assembly. Today we will be your MCs. My name is Emily.
And mine is Ava.
We are in Ada Rem.
We hope you enjoy this November's sharing assembly. Lester B. Pearson School for the Arts would like to acknowledge and show appreciation to the First Nations people who traditionally lived on this territory and land. The Chippewa of the Thames First Nation, part of the Anishinaabe, the Oneida Nation of the Thames, part of the Haudenosaunee, and the Munsee Delaware Nation, part of the Lenni Lenape. Let us reflect on how we as individuals and as a school can carry this spirit of gratitude into everything we do and to honor and respect the original people's territory we now sit on.
It would not be a real Pearson sharing assembly unless we start with a cheesy joke. Hey Ava, what is a frog's favorite genre of music?
I don't know. What is it?
Hip hop!
That is so funny. That's a knee slapper.
The following program notes for Eagle Song are written by Douglas MacUlay, the conductor of the West Vancouver Youth Band Symphonic Band, who commissioned the piece. Music is uniquely human. It is our shared human language. Music can open doors, open minds, and allow us to experience the essence of another culture. As work continues towards reconciling the past with the first people of North America, it is also necessary to forge a shared path forward based on our commonalities rather than our differences. Music seems a very good place to start.
This publication began as a conversation with Squamish Nation culture advisor and performer Bob Baker, who generously agreed to share a piece of his oral tradition. A song that he received many years ago, it took him time for him to shape Eagle Song into the song it has become today. And now he has granted permission to Robert Buckley to expand it into a work for concert band. The result is a remarkably beautiful piece that honors Squamish Nation tradition and allows us all to share a small piece of this rich culture. Our hope in commissioning this work is that it will foster a deeper love, respect, and understanding for the people and culture of the Squamish Nation and all First Nations through shared music. Thanks to Shivani and Hannah for preparing the slideshow presentation. We hope you enjoy 7M's performance of Eagle Song.